Bubble sort is the algorithm that is used to sort the sequence of numbers. The scales at the right end of the sequence will compare the numbers on their left and their right sides. In this case, they'll compare 7 and 6. After comparing them, if the numbers on the right is found to be smaller, the numbers will be swapped. 6 is smaller than 7, so the numbers got swapped. After the comparison is finished, the scales move one position to the left. The numbers are compared once again. This time, 6 is greater than 4, so the numbers don't get swapped. The scales move one position to the left. This operation is repeated until the scales reach the left end of the sequence. The scales have reached the left end of the sequence. In one round of operations, the smallest value in the sequence has moved to the left edge. The number on the left edge is considered fully sorted, and the scales are moved back to the right edge. The same operations are repeated until all of the numbers are fully sorted. Sorting is complete. This concludes the explanation of bubble sort.